Monday. Actually, it's Saturday. Morning, guys. Today we're heading off to Phongsali. We've got a pretty long drive ahead of us. We're gonna try and take a little shortcut road. Not shortcut, but another road. It's not the main road there, but because it's supposed to be dirt track, but somebody went on it not too long ago and said it was okay. So it's just after 8. We're here at the immigration office. I'm picking up my passport. The lady's gonna come and drop it off to me in a minute, and then we're on the road. According to Google, it says about just under 7 hours of driving, so that makes probably 8 hours for us, which means it's gonna be a really long day. So Google says 230 kilometers and 6 hours 45 minutes. It's probably right though. We'll see if it starts getting dark and we're still pretty far away. Maybe we'll stop over in Boon 2, I think the village is called. Something of that nature. I'm forgetting it right now. But weather's nice. The sun's coming out, which is a good thing. It's pretty cold, and it's only going to get colder because we're going to go further into the mountains. So the sun will be a good friend to see, to warm us up on this ride. But yeah, we're gonna hit the road and we're just gonna push today. We're gonna try and make as little stops as possible. We got a little pack lunch here. Got a little baguette and a muffin there. So we'll just stop, have a picnic somewhere, and just keep pushing. Really only try to stop for gas station stops. So. What's up, guys? We just finished a quick little drink break. We had some iced tea. We're here in Boon Thai. I said it wrong earlier. It's not Boon 2, it's Boon Thai. So we finished our off-road section for the day, but we still got another 90 kilometers to go. It's not off-road, but it's not exactly the best paved road. We've got some clouds up above. There's a 50% chance of rain today, so we're just gonna had a quick drink. We're gonna keep pushing on. The dirt road was not that bad. It was beautiful views. It's like farmland on farmland on farmland, but the road was quite bumpy, a lot of rocks and whatnot. So it took us a little bit longer than we thought, but it could have been worse. It wasn't that bad at all. So hopefully this tarmac holds up pretty good and it's not super bad, and we can enjoy the rest of the ride, get some good speed, and hopefully be in Phongsali in no time. We made it to Phongsali after a pretty long day of riding. It wasn't too bad, but man, there were some sections where we were getting quite tired. Like the little bumpy sections, they just tore us up, especially after 3 days of hiking. We weren't ready for it. So leaving this morning, leaving Luang Namtha, the road wasn't really that nice. They had a lot of construction going on for the new train project that's coming down from Boten and onward. But then after we turned in Natui, it got a little bit better, but shortly after that we turned anyway off of the road to go northeast and take a little shortcut to Phongsali, the shortcut I was talking about.
it was beautiful, like beautiful scenery. Honestly, some of the most lush like farmland we've seen in Laos. Very well organized and stuff. But we think it's Chinese investment farms. It's Lao people farming, but with Chinese backers behind it. It's all very, it's a good mix of things to keep us awake, and it was really nice because a lot of the villages we went through, the women were still wearing their traditional, not necessarily their traditional clothing, but their traditional head garments. Unfortunately, we didn't stop and take any photos of them because, I don't know, it just felt intrusive. But it was really nice to see that still. We don't even really know what tribe they were. It was interesting. It was like a headpiece that only kind of went down the middle, and then they had the hair coming out the sides, but they all had like a short haircut, and they had these silver things in their hair, and on their headpiece in the front they had some silver coin, and they're not coins, but silver coin looking things, like 3 or 4 of them on the front. But it was really cool. And then I made a wrong move and listened to Sophie, and I took the wrong turn, and so we had like a good 30-40 minute detour going the wrong way and then turning around back, and then finally we made it back to the paved road. But when we turned in what was it, Sophie? Buntai. In Buntai village. It was nice. We finally got some paved road again, but it didn't last long, and it was like a nice broken up rocky road again. So basically all day we've just been like shaking. It's funny, we finished showering and cleaning up and whatnot, and both of us were still kind of shaky. maybe we've been shaking around on the bike so long that but the town itself is really cool. It's much bigger than we both expected. Much bigger, but it's like nestled in the mountains, so there's all these different layers of the town. But tomorrow we got a pretty full day. We're gonna try and go to the market. We're gonna go to the tea plantation, a 400-year-old tea plantation here, and we're gonna walk through the old town, which is right here in front of our hotel, which is the kind of like old town Chinese style buildings. So we'll go walk around there a bit. And I think that's it. Old town, yeah, market, yeah, that's it. But for now,